Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to allow public post notifications on the Facebook app when you're using a PC. With Facebook's latest update, some settings have moved around a bit, but don't worry. This step-by-step walkthrough will help you find everything and get it set up in just a minute. First, go ahead and open your Facebook app or website on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to open the main menu. From this drop-down menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand a few more options. Go ahead and click on Settings to enter the full settings page. Now that you're inside the settings, look for the section called Followers and Public Content. Depending on your layout, you might need to scroll a bit, but it should be easy to spot. Click on it to open the related options. Next, find the option labeled Public Post Notifications. This is where you control who can get notified about your public updates. Click on it and you'll see a few choices. To allow notifications for everyone, select Public. This means anyone who follows you can receive notifications when you post something publicly. Once you've selected it, make sure to click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Your public post notifications are now enabled, and your audience can stay updated whenever you share something new. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this to make the most out of your social media experience.